Dahil sa solo ganap ng dalawa ay talagang nababalitaan na sila na magkahiwalay na. Dahil special occasion ay wala na rin na magkasama ang dalawa. Sobrang busy na talaga, pati si Donnie ay kumakanta na at si Belle naman ay may upcoming song na gagawin. Ito naman ang message nga ni Belle Mariano kay Donnie. Time niya na nalaman na hindi na nga si Donnie ang kanyang makakasama sa trabaho. It was scary at first because I'm so used to Donnie just being there and I know how supportive he is. At the same time, I learned so much through this. There's a scene of excitement because never done this before. There's fear but we're both vocal about it. For as long as we both grow, whether separately or together. I mean, as long as we're gonna grow, really, as long as we're gonna grow. He's very supportive of it and I'm very supportive. Kaya guys, watch nyo ang Roha ha. Talagang hindi nila nakakalimutan mag-promote ang isa't isa. Kahit sila ang ini-interview, hindi nila nakakalimutan banggitin kung ano ang mga upcoming show nila. Nakita lang magkasama si River at Belle, talagang siniship na ng mga taong bayan. Sabi nga nila, I don't know why I found this attractive. Just the River and there to support Belle in her upcoming movie. Since it's crush during his into her. Sabi nga ng mga netizen, kahit di lang naman si River yung andyan, they had a photo together as one familiarized artist. Makagawa lang ng issues, Fire Belle, wag nyo ako sa may jowa na. Kung ayaw mo kay Donnie, edi wag, sino ka ba naman ikaw si Belle. Anak ko ni Belle, wala namang mawawala kung magkaroon sila ng movie, diba? Bata pa si Belle, explore na rin sa talent niya. Gwapo at gentleman din si River. Kaya di ibig sabihin sila na may Donnie na si Belle, may Jella si River.